Okay, now what we're doing here is we're going to measure the gas pressure to the manifold on a two-stage Amana system. Has a high and low fire. This is the 36E54 gas valve and has this two-stage regulator device on here. So what we're going to do is we have the manometer. We removed our 3/16 plug with our 3/16 Allen wrench out of the side, and I installed my manometer on the manifold side. So now I'm going to fire my unit up, and I'm going to put my unit into the low fire first, starting with low fire. Okay, starting on low fire, my unit's going through its pre-purge first. After pre-purge, it's going to go into a warm-up cycle where the hot surface igniter will start to glow, and then it will go for trial for fire, and then we'll be able to read our manifold pressure. We're going to adjust our pressure with these settings here. This is the cap screw. I'm going to remove the cap screw, and I'm going to set it with a 3/32 inch Allen wrench inserted in here, and that will set my low fire first. My high fire is going to be set over here. I remove the cap screw, and there's a 3/32 inch Allen wrench here to adjust my high fire. So right now we're in low fire, and you can see we're at 1.71 inches of water column, which is close. Two stage, this one here calls for 1.8 down to 1.5 would be the firing range that you're going to typically see on your two-stage units. So I'm going to just show you how to take it down. If I turn this in, it's going to take up. I'm up at 1.96. If I back it out, I drop down, and I'm dropping down to 1.60 inches of water column. And again, what you want to do is put your finger on the cap, make sure it doesn't change, and make sure you get an accurate pressure. Now in this case, I have my manometer open because this whole area is referenced to the burner. If there would have been a closed burner box, I would need to then put this probe would have to go into the closed burner box. But since we're in the same area as the flame and the air, we don't need to put another hose on there. So now I'm running 1.59 on my low fire. Now I'm going to increase to high fire, and I'm just using the thermostat, which you can't see. Just increase my thermostat to high fire. Now I'm running 3.74 on high fire. I'm going to bracket that down to 3.5. So my 3/32 Allen wrench is going into the hole on the side here. Get her in there. Okay, I'm in the hole. Now, if I turn clockwise inward, I'm up to 4. We don't want to be that high. Most of the time, we're running around 3.5 as normal firing for natural gas manifolds. So now I'm at 3.5. So I backed it out to 3.5. Again, hold my finger on to see if it changes at all. We're steady with 3.5. So again, we adjusted low fire first, anywhere from 1.5 to sometimes they'll call up to 1.6, 1.8, and then high fire at 3.5 on our two-stage system. Again, that's adjusting the manifold pressure, a natural gas two-stage Amana.